ईसु बढ़िया हो ये अनाज रोको पानी ने पानी रो ओ पानी रो घणो अमोल रोको पानी ने ई पानी पे सबको हक छे ई पानी पे सबको हक छे अरे आंसू मिले रे जीवन दान रोको पानी ने पानी रो घणो अमोल रोको पानी ने.
Nature has blessed Rajasthan with extraordinary beauty. If it has sand dunes and water lakes, it also has Aravalli mountain ranges and green forest covers to captivate strangers. Besides, of course, its exotic flora, fauna and vibrant culture. However, to an outsider, it is not easily evident that Rajasthan is a state where people toil all round the year from want of water. Water since time immemorial has been a precious gift of nature to mankind. Nurtured carefully, water aids in progress and prosperity. Disregarded, and water can become a cause for destruction and ruin. It is a lesson that people of Rajasthan know better than most others, since the region suffers from acute shortage of water on account of its unique topography. Fetching water in this largest state in India is a back-breaking affair. Not only it has vast areas of land where the water table lies deep below the earth's crust, be it the Rocky Mountain ranges or sand-filled deserts, but also because it has no free-flowing year-long river running through its entirety. Obviously, it makes life immensely difficult for people, especially those living in rural countryside. However, at a time when the modern world is grappling with the problems of diminishing water in rivers, or flooding in some other places, or the problems of waste matter polluting the major rivers, it is paradoxical that a small group of rural people in Alwar district of Rajasthan have taught a new lesson to the elite in the world in water conservation and harvesting through their efforts of reviving a river, Arwari. The remarkable villagers have shown that traditional, rural but commonsensical techniques, inexpensive yet effective, can be a great help in sustaining and improving the fast depleting resources of this globe. In essence, they have demonstrated how our over-reliance on modern scientific equipments and technologies, immune to human wants and sensibilities, are not necessarily the best way to save valuable treasures of sustainable development. It all began in 1985 when a group of 4 young men came as saviors into the Aravalli tract and set up a voluntary group, Tarun Bharat Sangh. With more idealism than knowledge, more enthusiasm than experience, the group went about learning what they could do to be of some assistance to rural development. In a short time, the group under Rajendra Singh decided that water conservation and harvesting was the crying need of the hour and took to it as their major vocation.
तरुण भारत संघ 1985 में इस इलाके में आया। गोपालपुरा बीकमपुरा गांव से ये जब काम शुरू हुआ तो यहाँ इस इलाके में पानी की बहुत ज़्यादा समस्या थी। जब यहाँ गांव में जाते थे
When Tarun Bharat Sangh started its work in 1985, there was immense shortage of water in this area. And when Rajendra Singh and his team went to various places, the villagers advised him that water conservation was the prime need of the hour.
1987 में इस गांव में
As
भी
such,
पदयात्रा के दौरान
with people's
गुजरते हुए भाई
knowledge
साहब
and
और तरुण भारत
cooperation,
संघ के कार्यकर्ता आए
various water
और
conservation
यहाँ ये
projects
पानी का
were
काम
started
गांव के लोगों
so as
की
to stop water
सोच और समझ
from
के
flowing
आधार
away
पर पहले
from this
जो
dark
इस
zone.
इलाके में पुराने तालाब थे जो
The
मिट्टी से
beginning was
भर
made
रहे
by
थे या
repairing
टूट रहे थे
and
उन
renovating
पुराने
the
तालाबों से
old
ये काम
water
शुरू हुआ
bodies
और
like
जब
ponds,
उन तालाबों में जो
lakes,
बरसात का
and
पानी
wells.
जो बह के चला जाता था
Once these
बेकार हो
got
जाता था
recharged,
जब रुकने लगा तो वो जमीन में
motivating
गया
the
और उसका
people
रिचार्ज
into
हुआ तो
newer
कुओं में
works
पानी आया
became
तो
quite
लोगों को
easy.
बहुत बड़ा उसका फायदा हुआ लोगों ने फिर उस पुराने तालाबों के अलावा इस इलाके में बहुत सारे नए ऐसे बांध जोड़ एनीकट तालाब ये बनाए हैं
Initially, the water conservation work started with building of small traditional earthen check dams called johars. Built on traditional wisdom, the johars prevent rainwater from running off. As such, they allow water to percolate into the ground, recharging groundwater aquifers and improving the water balance of the earth. Gradually, several anycuts too were developed to impede or change the direction of the flow of water so as to revive or improve the strength of water table of the area. From the beginning, villagers were made accountable for the water resources. Every johar, anycut or water conservation activity was carried out with their active support and financial participation. Thus, Tarun Bharat Sangh ensured that the water resources were looked after by the rural folk themselves, giving them a sense of belonging and ownership. It made the villagers feel a part of the decision-making process, which is so necessary to motivate people to care for their environment.
धनबाद से हमारा एक मतलब बांध बना हमारे यहाँ से दिखता बिल्कुल पास नहीं है तो हमारे कुएं में पानी काफी बढ़ गया अगर वो नहीं बांधता तो कुएं में पानी नहीं होता आज उस बंदे के अंदर हम ज्यादा
The check dam built by the Sangh increased the level of water in our wells. It's because of this dam that almost 150 to 200 families are earning their livelihood.
दूसरी बात वो हमसे कोई पैसा नहीं लिया
We are grateful to Tarun Bharat Sangh for its help.
हमको रोजी रोटी मिली भाई उसमें हमने काम भी हम ही किए तो हमको मजदूरी मिली
The Sangh, in consultation with the villagers, built a number of johars and anycuts in the line of the Arwari basin, which had disappeared 6 decades ago. This stringing in a chain formation from Sankar in Bhauta to Kaled, Natata, Hamirpur and various other such villages helped water level to rise in wells, and as more and more water bodies got recharged, the villagers, to their utter surprise one day, realized that the old river that had vanished 60 years ago into the earth's crust had come back to life. Through a man-made miracle, Arwari was reborn. The unique thing about Tarun Bharat Sangh's effort was that it came about through cooperative movement of the people. It made them realize that water harvesting and conservation was for their welfare and betterment. With water came manifold benefits. One of the first was that the small tributary grew into a full-fledged river flowing throughout the year. And it made more villagers join the water conservation movement, giving it strength and character. The movement acquired a vital sense of urgency, and people bestowed their care, concern and energies to the protection of their village water resources. The people made their own village committees, which regulated rules and regulations for the upkeep of not only the water bodies, but also for protection of trees and mountain environment around their rural areas. Thus, democratic functioning was strengthened by the rebirth of Arwari. As rural citizens became their environment's own protectors, they imposed fines on illegal and improper cutting of trees as well as polluting of water bodies, thereby ensuring their survival. Any deviance was fined and could even lead to excommunication from the rural society. Such strict vigilance paid rich dividends, as gradually the mountains and forests regained their green cover, providing rich fodder for animals. The water and fodder in turn led to increase in yield of milk in animals, as also better agricultural produce. These in turn paved way for economic prosperity and better living for most people around the Arabri Basin. A socio-economic benefit of easy availability of water was that women no longer had to toil for long hours for fetching of water. Their needs were met near their doorstep and saved them considerable time and energy. Tarun Bharat Sangh took pains to draw the rural women into the process of decision making, and women responded splendidly to the offer. In fact, women established self-help groups to help each other in times of need by extending their savings as loans to the needy on nominal rates of interest. Their keen involvement ensured that the money was given only to the deserving, and till date, there has been no defaulter in payment of the loans. Economic independence in water freed the children also, especially the girls, to pay attention to primary education. Once again, Tarun Bharat Sangh helped draw the children to studies by providing for school premises, textbooks and midday meals, ensuring that the children would not drop out of school for any reason or want. However, what was gratifying to note was that the rural people established democratic processes and rules of good governance for themselves. The people formed a decision-making body around the villages known as Arvari Sansad or Arvari Parliament to see that all villages along the river basin paid heed to the rules so as not to disturb the ecological balance. But the greatest benefit was that the rebirth of Arvari motivated the revival of 5 more rivers like Sarsa, Jahajwali, Bhagani, Tilde and Ruparel. The efforts of the Sangh, be it in the rocky hills like Sankar Band at Bhauta or the plains of Natata or Siliberi in Sariska forest, made everyone aware that water systems based on traditional knowledge and wisdom of ancient India were not just economically viable at a very low cost, but also technically feasible.
प्राचीन काल से ही परंपरागत रूप से पानी के संरक्षण के लिए नए नए अपने तरीके खोजते रहे हैं और सने सने वो विकसित होते गए और आज एक परंपरा के रूप में विद्यमान है और हमने जो
From ancient times, Indians have developed newer ways of conserving water, and our efforts have been only to work with local resources and materials so as to devise economical yet viable projects of water harvesting and conservation.
As the world opened its eyes to the marvels of a river being reborn and water conservation efforts bearing fruit, people of the Arvari Sansad began to spread the message across to their other rural brethren through a series of journeys on foot. Known as Jal Yatras or water journeys, the aim of these travels across the rural countryside was to make more citizens aware of the need to harness and conserve water for their prosperity and happiness. The message of the water journeys began to sink into the local psyche, just like water seeped into the ground, and water came to be revered for all its incumbent benefits, and the river came to be venerated like a divinity. And today, the whole country is learning from water journeys. In the years to come, the efforts paid rich dividends. While the rest of Rajasthan suffered acute shortage of water during severe drought and famine, Arwari Basin was ensured with enough groundwater supply for drinking, personal hygiene and agriculture.
सरिस्का क्षेत्र में जो पानी का काम हुआ है तो लोगों की सरिस्का में रहने वाले गांवों के लोगों की खेती बाड़ी बढ़ी है, उनके पशुधन को पानी
Despite famine in Rajasthan for 4 years, Sariska region had no shortage of water on account of 400 water bodies built by Tarun Bharat Sangh. Moreover, animal life, dairy as well as agriculture improved to everyone's benefit.
उनकी सहूलियत हो गई है.
The world now took notice of these tremendous strides of Tarun Bharat Sangh, and recognition came in from the four corners of the world. From the prestigious Joseph C. John Award to Indira Gandhi Environment Award to Raymond Magsaysay Award, known as Asia's Nobel Prize, all honored the spirit of cooperation and its triumph over severe adversity.
आज पूरी नदियों के सिस्टम पर भयानक संकट है. प्रदूषण का संकट है, सिल्टिंग का संकट है, जंगलों के कटने और जंगलों की बर्बादी का संकट है.
Today,
ये जो
there is water
नदियों का संकट
crisis
है, इससे
because
समाज
there is tremendous
की
strain
पीड़ा बढ़ती है.
on river water
नदी और
systems
समाज दोनों एक
on
दूसरे के
account of
साथ
pollution,
एक दूसरे के बहुत दूर हैं.
decadence and silting.
और मैंने ये देखा
All
कि
this
जहाँ
obviously emanates
समाज
out of
अपने
population
संकट
explosion.
को हल करने के लिए खुद खड़ा होता है,
However,
वहाँ अपने
if a
नदियों
society
को
establishes
सदा बना लेता
a
है. तो
relationship
जिस
with
तरह
its
से
rivers,
अरवरी के किनारे के
then
लोगों
the
ने
problem of
अपनी
vanishing
जिंदगी को
rivers
सुखी और समृद्ध
can
बनाया,
be solved.
उसी तरह से पूरी दुनिया में
Every
ये जो आज
society
पानी का
that
संकट है और
takes
नदियों
care
का
of its
संकट है,
rivers
उसको हल
is
किया जा
blessed
सकता है.
manifold
और ये
thereafter
संकट समाज के
by
जुड़ने
its
से
rivers.
होता है, नदियों के जुड़ने से दूर
Just
नहीं
like
होता.
Arwari was
नदियों के
revived
जुड़ने से मुझे
by
नहीं
its
लगता
own
कि सब
people,
जगह पानी पहुंच
so
जाएगा,
also every
लेकिन
river
समाज
in the
यदि नदियों
world
के साथ जुड़
can
जाए
be
तो
saved.
सबको पानी मिल जाएगा.
The need
और
is for
सबकी जिंदगी
mankind
में एक
to
तरह का
establish
सुख
a
और
relationship
समृद्धि लौट आएगी.
with its
जिस
rivers
तरह से
and
अरवरी
care
में
for
ये
them.
सुख समृद्धि लौटी है, इसी
If
तरह
man
से
cares
पूरे
for
भारत
rivers,
में और पूरी दुनिया में
rivers
ये सुख
would
समृद्धि
certainly
नदियों
care
के
for
किनारे
man.
के समाज को मिल सकती है.
But despite its international recognition for the first ever revival of an ancient river, the greatest tribute to Tarun Bharat Sangh was that it provided a platform to many social outlaws and outcasts to join the mainstream of social life. One of those many was Jagdish Gurjar, for whom water conservation has become a worship.
पानी के काम से जीवन में इतना बदलाव, जैसे पहले हम एक मानव होते हुए भी मानव नहीं थे.
Before joining Tarun Bharat Sangh,
पानी के कामों से
my life was like
हर जगह
an animal
प्रशासन में, समाज में,
with no respect
कहीं
from
भी
any quarter.
जाते हैं.
But
स्कूलों
now,
में, बच्चों में
people
तो
have showered me
अपने
with
आप
their
आगे
love
बढ़ते हैं, उनके संस्कार
and
वाले
respect
से आए,
for my
पानी का
contribution
तो हर
to
जगह
water
सम्मान
movement.
मिलता है एक तरह से.
Today, as the modern society and its multilateral wants are destroying the water table, with expensive canals, dams and frequent drilling of the earth's crust, it is necessary that the world learns from Tarun Bharat Sangh's incredible knowledge of water conservation and harvesting, of how to care for our meager resources of the globe. In fact, no one would ever go thirsty on this Mother Earth if they were to just listen to the song of a joyous Arwari, a river reborn.